Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's time to go to school. Are you ready to get up?
And when we're pretty, all the girls will fall in love with us.
These cats always show up after a snowfall. And I certainly enjoy sharing warmth with them.
What do you want? You need to relax. Can I pet you?
Hey, get out of my sandwich. No.
I no longer want to kill myself.
Okay, so someone has just gotten themselves stuck in this box. Who's down there? Dave. Of course it's Dave.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up.
All right, okay. All right. Oh my God.
That's not normal, and I think, you should maybe get some help or something.
Ya arkadaş, siz niye benim oturduğum yere her seferinde gelip oturuyorsunuz? Ha? Neden? Bak, yat burada, ha?
First of all, you're nothing but a trashy hoe.
That's a nice looking stomach. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do to defend your stomach? You're just gonna leave it like that? You're just gonna let me play with the stomach like that? Honestly, bold approach. I understand it, but you have to have a better idea than that, right? Oh, you're gonna expose the stomach even more. Smart.